So I just got this new product called Sleevsaver in the mail. It's brand new. I think I'm the first one in Canada to try it. And it protects the edge of your socket from digging into your sleeve. So it protects that whole edge. So I stuck it in. I left about 1/8 of an inch all the way around so it can wrap around the edge. And then you just pull your sleeve back over top of it. And the tackiness of the sleeve saver seals with the same material. Tackiness of the sleeve, and there's no more hard edge. You're not going to damage it if you get down on your knee. There's no hard edge, just soft on soft. So that's going to make your liner, your sleeve last a lot longer. And it'll keep it in place and keep it from moving around.